Hey guys, so I got home today from taking my son to the doctor, and guess what I found on my front porch? The new spring FabFitFun box. I am so excited about this. If you guys don't know about FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box. This is probably my favorite subscription box that I get. So the seasonal subscription box, instead of coming once monthly, comes once every season. So you get 4 times per year. You have a winter box, a summer box, a spring, and a fall box. So spring box time. Let's see what's inside. So when you open it up, it has all of this cute little artwork on the inside and a little magazine in it that comes with it that tells kind of about the products. So this has everything inside. Just gives you a little insight to the product. It talks about the artwork on the box, and it also talks about how much each product is actually worth as well. So let's get to it and go buy our magazine and see what we have inside. So first of all, there is a coupon for HelloFresh. This is a food service that delivers meals to your door. You can get like 2 to 3 meals per week, and they're anywhere from $30 to $60 per week, depending on the plan that you pick. I've actually used this, and I think it's really nice. My husband and I tried this, and the dinners were good, the ingredients were fresh. We really like it. So the first thing in our box is a massage roller. Now, this is nice, especially for someone like me who has arthritis. This is going to feel fantastic right here on the neck. I think that you can massage pretty much any part of your body, arms, legs, and these little pokey things are great for increasing circulation as well. So let's just read a little bit about this product. So this is from a company called Physique 57 Massage Roller. It says this massage roller does wonders for sore aching muscles, improves flexibility, and breaks up scar tissue. That's always good. Keeps tender muscles at bay. Just 5 to 10 minutes with this tool, and you'll have your body feeling all the feels. Okay, now there's also little tips on how to use the products in the description of the products in the magazine. So, tip for this one says, throw this in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. Pretty good tip. So, first product, I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this on my sore muscles. Next product. Okay, this is a lip statement palette by the company Ish. I've only tried a couple of other products by them. I really like them so far. Everything that I've used by this company I've thought was really great. So this is a lip statement palette. It says, pucker up ladies. This palette features 11 insanely pigmented shades and 1 balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color. That sounds nice. I don't even think out of all of the massive amount of makeup that I have, I actually have a lip palette. Go figure. Okay. I like the packaging on this. Look at these colors. And it comes with a little brush too, which I never use, but hey, you never know. It could be great for travel. Let's see how these swatch. Let's just swatch a couple here. Okay, I think I'm going to try this little pink shade because this seems like something that I would wear probably the most. You can see here. Look how pigmented that is. That's going to be so pretty. Look how pigmented that is. Those are going to look so pretty. That pink is going to be perfect for springtime. I'm going to have these swatches on my arm for the rest of the day now. This palette is retail value $42. So that's more than what you would pay for this subscription box alone. I'm going to try to link a discount code below the video. I'm going to try. Still kind of new to this. And you can probably get your first subscription box from FabFitFun for around $35. Typically you will spend $40 to $50 on a subscription, but it's seasonal too, so it's only 4 times a year. It's not like you're doing that every month. And this box, just this one product alone, is worth more than what you're going to spend on this one subscription. So, I mean, you do the math. Okay, the next product. Okay, this is a piece of jewelry by Maya Brenner. It is a love bracelet. Look at this, guys. You guys know that I'm completely obsessed with bracelets. Like, can't get enough. And it's gold tone, which is my favorite shade. I do like silver, but I think I prefer gold with my skin tone. Okay, so this little bracelet retails for $65. That's a good deal. It says, we love spreading the love, feeling the love, and we love this Maya Brenner Designs bracelet. How can you not? It's simple. I like this design. I really do like this design. Okay. Next, Free People. I love this brand, Free People. Okay, so this is a cute little eye mask. And the little magazine says that this vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. Okay, so it's a vegan simulated leather. I like that. I do like these kind of eye masks, but I have trouble using them myself because I have eyelash extensions and they tend to squish them. The only eye mask that I have ever been able to use are the kinds that have like small cups, so that there's like a concave surface that goes over my eyelashes and does not squish them down. But this would be fantastic, like if you have a headache, to just kind of place on your forehead out of the freezer. That would feel nice. Okay. So this eye mask says it retails for $40, and the tip that comes with it is store the cooling pouch in the fridge to help depuff watery eyes. That is a fantastic idea. Next, we have Spongella Bulgarian Rose. This is a body wash infused buffer. I have never used one of these. Never. So this is going to be a new experience for me as well. Ooh, okay. It smells very soapy. Kind of, I don't know if I like the scent of soapy. This kind of reminds me of my great Aunt Wave's Avon perfume lotion when I was little. Very strong. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this one, but you know, I'm willing to give it a try. I don't think I've ever had a season that I did not like. No, haven't had a season that I don't like. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, this must be that clutch bag that I have been hearing so much about. Oh, I want to see this. How cute is that? Look at this little clutch. Doesn't that scream springtime to you? Look at these colors, yellows, blues, and this little tassel. Look at this little tassel detail. I love that. Oh, and it's so big. I don't know if you can see inside here, that little pop of color. There's like a little pocket where you can put your lipsticks or cell phones so that it doesn't roll around. So you can use this completely extended, or you can fold it up like this and see like a little pop of color and just kind of carry it under your arm, which is super cute. Or you can even reverse it if you want to go, you know, like all out color and have the color on the outside. See how cute that is? These are amazing to not have to carry a gigantic bag into the store with you if you just want to throw your wallet and your keys and maybe some cute sunnies in here. I really enjoy clutches. Yeah. So the next item in our box is Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I did not even know that they made a body polish, but now we get to try it. And this item apparently is not even something that is supposed to come in the subscription box. This is just something that they threw in there for free. So that was nice. I can't wait to try that. Next, there is a Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. I have never actually tried anything from this Murad brand, excuse me, but I have wanted to for a long time, so I'm pretty excited about this too, Skin Perfecting Lotion. So the magazine says the Skin Perfecting Lotion, yes please. This ultralight, oil-free moisturizer helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy while also providing hydration. It also minimizes the appearance of pores. Okay, yeah, I need that. Refines texture, need that too. And soothes redness and irritation. Okay, I have all of those. I'm pretty sure I'm going to love this lotion if it does what it says. So this lotion retails for $40. Can you believe that? $40 face lotion. You guys know how insane I am about skincare, so I'm super excited to try this. I will be trying this tonight when I do my nightly skincare routine. The next thing is by the company Korres. I love this company. I've been using this company for years. They have such natural ingredients, and that's one of the things that I love about them. There's not a lot of oils and parabens and BPAs and all that stuff that you would find in some higher-end skincare products. So this is a guava body butter by the company Korres. This sloths away that winter-worn skin, which, you know, who couldn't use that? The body butter is enriched with shea butter, and it softens and moisturizes and rejuvenates the skin, while sunflower, almond, and avocado oils work to nourish and improve skin's elasticity and smoothness. I love things with avocado oils in it. It does so well for my skin. Okay, we are down to the last item in the box, and this is a Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. I have never heard of this company, but it sounds interesting. Let's see. What is this? This is a keratin and peptide infused concealing ridge filler. So this is a nail polish that you can use as a top coat or as a base coat, and it's just going to fill in all of the uneven ridges of your nails so that your nail polish looks smooth and pretty. Okay. So I am super excited to try everything in this box. I love my FabFitFun box. This is my absolute favorite subscription box that I get, as I said in the beginning. And I'm going to try my best to link a discount code below for you guys so that you can save a little money if you want to try out the FabFitFun box. Now, if you do happen to sign up and use my code, you are not locked in to keep this. If you get it and you do not like it and you think, maybe this isn't for me, you can cancel at any time. No strings attached. So, definitely worth a try. Even one product in this box is worth even more than what you're going to pay for the actual subscription. So I would recommend that you give this a try. Favorite subscription box, hands down. You will love it. Thank you guys for watching, and leave any comments below that you have. Maybe I'll try to update you in the comments also on some of the products that I tried.